Hello, I'm John. I'm the horticultural manager at Coolings. This is my home greenhouse. I'd just like to talk to you about a few simple crops that I grow every year, which are fun to grow and fairly undemanding if you've got an outdoor space like this. The first is cucumbers. Here you can see we have an all-female variety. These are really heavy cropping. One single plant is all I need for the summer. Next to it we've got different forms of tomatoes. So we've got beefsteak tomatoes in here. These are the large big varieties, and I also grow the sweet small varieties, like this one here is Sweet 100, and we have little bush varieties on the floor here. Again, all different forms of tomato, because when you're making a salad it's nice to have the different sizes for sweetness. I also grow here, we've got some chili peppers. Again, really easy crop to grow, just needs somewhere hot and sunny really. And behind them, the first of the aubergines. Aubergines require heat, but otherwise a fairly easy crop to grow. So if you've got a little bit of space available in your glass house, without too much effort, we've grown all this. We feed them once a week with either liquid seaweed or Tomerite tomato food, and all you need then is water and sunlight.